we are on air. Okay, we start now with the second lesson.
Yes.
The first lesson, very good, eh?
Good.
Yes, very good.
Judy, wake up!
And now the second lesson is for the legs, no? For the legs. Estic amb el Messi. Ho està fent, yeah. Està fent molt bé. Pues, la veritat és que noto poca diferència quan amb ella i una persona professional. La veritat és que ho està fent molt bé.
In the afternoon.
Yeah?
It's fresh.
In the afternoon.
Yes.
Yeah. This massage is very good for the legs, no?
Yeah. Because we call the line that I'm pressing, we call energy line. So it helps you release your pain.
Yes.
The press is okay?
Yes, it's
or you
okay.
want harder?
No, it's okay. The press is okay. Yes. Sí, com veieu s'ho agafa molt en sèrio. And which is better, a half an hour the Thai massage or 1 hour Thai massage?
I think maybe 1 hour.
1 hour.
Half an hour you do little things. No?
Yeah. No, pues. Okay, Messi, second lesson. It's good too, eh? Yeah.
So tomorrow you can walk.
Okay. I think so, no? Okay. La Messi is a very good professional, eh?